What is going on YouTube? Hey, back making another brand new Crypto TV episode. In today's video, we are going to be looking at XRP, Ethereum, Bitcoin, as well as the S&P 500. Now, specifically, we've been tracking this kind of Christmas consolidation market because it is a holiday weekend. So we have an extended weekend, which typically means we're not going to see much movement upon most of the major cryptos. You can see the S&P 500 has closed and is going to be closed until Tuesday. Bitcoin is doing exactly what we said yesterday and flatlined out completely. Same thing with Ethereum, and we're also seeing XRP doing the exact same thing. We're on day 3 now of just flatline movement for the most part, opening and closing at around the same point. So we need to kind of see where we could end up, discuss the patterns that could come after the holiday weekend is over, and kind of draw a conclusion off of that, because I do have kind of an idea of where we could see the markets go. Obviously, yes, it could go up. Obviously, yes, it could go down, but we can pretty much figure out when that time is going to come. And then we can also set up positions. Well, yeah, if we're going up or we're going down, how high are we going to go up and how low are we going to go down? And then when should we be selling out and when should we be buying in? Because yeah, if I said, oh guys, market's going to be going up, but we move up from, 62 cents to 64 and dump, you kind of want to know when that, entry and when that exit period is. That's what we're going to try to cover in today's video. Now, beyond that, we do have to look at these cryptos that are consolidating in bigger kind of patterns here, but we'll cover all this in a minute with you guys. Anyways, with that all being said, definitely make sure to smash the like button, turn on post notifications, subscribe, and let's jump into today's episode. So hopefully you guys know what this is right here. After waiting over a month, it has finally come in the mail. Look at the size of this bad boy here. I know you guys are probably like, what is that? What is that? What is that? Well, as I said in previous episodes here, we are doing an Amazon gift card giveaway. I've had to put it on hold for the past 2 weeks, unfortunately, because I was waiting to give away probably some maybe BidFi t-shirts as well as BidFi coupons, because they wanted to collaborate on some of the giveaways I was doing. So we had ordered, us together kind of made their logo into a keychain to give away. And finally, after like over a month of waiting, they have sent me tons, and I mean tons of keychains. I just want to show you what these look like, and they're really cool. I really like the way these came out here. Just going to show you a better example. You can see right here, it's so not going to load, but you can kind of get the general idea of what exactly we're looking at right here. This is what it looks like. Super cool. We got a ton of them, so we will be giving these out, which is going to be really fun, as well as Amazon gift cards, and I think t-shirts too. Well, maybe we'll throw it all in together. So that's going to start on Monday, which I'm very excited for here. If you guys are excited, let me know down in the comments below. It's a little early, but oh, sorry, it's a little last minute because I was trying to do this, a couple of weeks ago here, but it has come indeed before Christmas and the holidays, so we will start this up on Monday, so stay tuned for Monday's episode. Now, with that being said, diving into the technical analysis, looking over the markets here, a few things we got to discuss and go over. Obviously, yesterday's video, we were talking about the fact that we need kind of a Christmas miracle because we started to see potentially double tops forming here. You can see what could cause, a miracle in M, but could reverse us to the downside here. We don't know exactly just yet here, but a possible correction and a possible reversal to the downside is definitely something to consider. Now, as we've said before, when the markets are closed on the weekends, we don't typically see much movement within most of the major cryptos. And I mean, it couldn't have been any more well said. You can see since pretty much the weekend started, since like Thursday or Friday, crypto, hasn't been doing anything at all. We've been kind of flatlined out for the most part here. So looking at Bitcoin, we haven't seen any movement. It's just flatline trading. Same thing kind of with Ethereum. And some of these other cryptos like BNB, XRP have been doing nothing but sidelined out. Solana has been doing just absolutely incredible things, up 60%. This coin just keeps pumping and pumping and pumping. It's absolutely nuts here. And we're going to have to probably start charting Solana soon, but we'll do that later on in some episodes here, because we do have to look at these other major cryptos too. You can see we are looking at XRP's kind of 6 bull flag formation here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 confirmed. We're looking at the 6 for a breakout here, and you can see for the most part what we're dealing with is the consolidation. We have a clear resistance. We have pretty much the potential to break out. I just want to show you what a bull flag crypto looks like. In crypto looks like here. You can see for the most part, it's very simple. We have a flag pull, a flag, and then the breakout. And you can see XRP has the flag pull, the flag itself, and then the breakout. However, the difference is we are actually starting to get pinned down by a price ceiling. You can see clear as day at 62 cents here. The prices have had one 2, 3, 4, 5 days of retesting that major resistance on the ceiling and pretty much not being able to break through it. Now, obviously, that happens to land on a weekend, on a Christmas weekend, which means we're going to be seeing a lot of this consolidation probably into tomorrow too. And then a decision is going to have to be made. Will we be retesting moving averages over here and reversing off, or will we be breaking through the price ceiling and longing to the upside here? Either way, there's opportunity to short and long. If we break through this, we can short it. And if we break through this price ceiling, we can long it to the upside here. So that's pretty much what we're waiting for. And when it does appear, we'll obviously take advantage of it on BidFi, the #1 cryptocurrency leveraging exchange I like to use here on the channel. BidFi allows me to buy long, sell short, leverage trade, create stop losses, take profits. Everything you could possibly think of is offered on BidFi completely free. So definitely make sure to check it out. Not only are we going to be doing some gift card giveaways of just free cryptos or free cryptocurrency or free money, free stuff for the holidays, but they also have a way for you to earn free crypto up to $28.88 in free crypto, as I said before, by completing tasks down in this section over here. The link to BidFi is in the description down below, so make sure to sign up ASAP. The best part that I like about BidFi is the fact that they are offering their demo account. Check this out. They have a demo account that lets you trade around with Bitcoin and XRP, $50,000 in Monopoly money right here, free to test out your skills, to test out my skills and my trades and get familiar with the platform. And then when you are ready, you can switch over to a live account and use real crypto. So that's freaking awesome that they offer this. But beyond that, looking at these other cryptos, we're still seeing consolidation within Ethereum. That still has to come here. You can see we have a price ceiling that we need to break through, but also an uptrend. We had a bull flag forming. We broke bullish out of it, and now we pretty much need to fill this in here. So we're going to have to decide what to do once we fill this in. And I think simply, if you want to play it conservative, if we can break through this on a daily, we can buy in and long. And ideally, we break through this, we might get stopped on this, but we might correct lower here. So it'll be an easy buy-in opportunity if we could break through resistance. If we break lower, it might not be the lowest point we move to, because by the time we get to that, moving average might catch up and there won't be much more room to head downwards here. So it's a little bit iffy on Ethereum unless we break bullish here. But beyond that, looking at Bitcoin and then wrapping things up with the S&P 500, Bitcoin also looks to be a bit interesting. Everything, or Ethereum and Bitcoin, kind of are overbought, and same thing with the stock market too. So to potentially see a correction to the downside is almost necessary, and I wouldn't be surprised at all. It would not be surprised to anyone if we saw the correction, because we're even seeing a potential double top formation here. And, there's no help with this weekend, because this weekend is causing this consolidation to last even longer. And that could be another sign of correction right to moving average on the daily charts here, which wouldn't be the best, but it would definitely help for the longevity aspect here. But if we do start to see that dump, we'll buy in for a short position, because we can short on BidFi, which is super cool. What is going on? That is not what I wanted to do. Let's close that. You can see right here they have Bitcoin to short right here. So we do have that opportunity as well, but there's a big chance of a consolidative drop to come if we do not break through this price ceiling anytime soon. So just keep that in the back of your head. Now, wrapping things up with the S&P 500, the last, I don't even know what you'd call it here. I don't know. I don't know what I would classify maybe crypto and the S&P 500 or the stock market together with. It's not like a commodity, but just overall stock. I guess looking at the stock market here, we do look to see we're going to need a correction here. We did good by falling recently here, but I'm still just a big firm believer we need to pull back down, come back to moving average, and just build some support, because we just keep pumping and pumping and pumping. So this consolidation needs to take place in order for us to head up even higher. And until that happens, we're going to be sitting ducks. There's no point to be buying in this overbought on the daily. Same thing with the weekly. Retesting overbought is okay on the weekly, because it can last a really long time. But on the daily, a pullback is necessary. It is necessary for us to correct a little bit lower, retest moving average, and then we can pump even higher. But with that all being said, make sure to smash the like button, turn on post notifications, subscribe. See you in tomorrow's video. Peace.